Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Colder air is dropping south and east once again from the Chukchi Sea, reaching the northwestern coast. A little bit of light snow there. More noticeably, smoke is moving southward across the Kenai Peninsula from around Soldotna southward toward Homer and at times grazing Kodiak Island thanks to low pressure vacuuming that in across the Gulf of Alaska. A few areas of light rain across the inner waterways of southeastern Alaska. Some showers popping up across the Yukon at this hour. The Bering Sea fog monster continues to lurk across the southern Bering Sea thanks to high pressure at 1,030 millibars. A little bit of light rain around St. Paul late this afternoon, and a much stronger storm south of the Gulf of Alaska approaching the Pacific Northwest. Most of the state is enjoying a fairly clear sky today. The dry air will continue for the interior, southwest, and most of south central Alaska tonight with fair sky. A few areas of light rain across southeastern Alaska with a trough of low pressure across the northeastern Gulf. Colder air continues to progress slowly eastward across the coastal plain. A few areas of light snow from Barrow toward Prudhoe Bay and Dead Horse, eventually approaching Kaktovik later this afternoon and this evening. Some light snow across the Seward Peninsula, at times mixing in with rain, a little bit better chance of that mixing around places like Nome. For Wednesday, high pressure meanders a little bit further westward, just south of the Gulf of Anadyr in the Bering Sea. Areas of fog should be fairly widespread from St. Matthews southward toward the central chain, and some light rain and drizzle still likely across the northern side of the Alaska Peninsula and into the Bering Sea, probably missing most of Bristol Bay. Dry conditions continue for south central, including the Mat-Su and Susitna valleys, with fire danger continuing to be relatively high thanks to dry brush and occasionally very low humidity. Smoke likely across the Kenai Peninsula as the winds shift a little bit more to the northwest to south and east, drawing into low pressure south and west of Haida Gwaii. Spotty showers possible across the Copper River Basin up toward Eagle and Northway by Thursday afternoon. A few more clouds may move over places like Fairbanks in the mid and upper Yukon Valley. Light snow possible for the coastal plain as we head into Thursday afternoon with high pressure still sitting across the western Bering Sea. Shemya may be the only place that gets any decent amount of showers with rain and possibly thunder across the Yukon and northern parts of British Columbia. Your latest weather forecast is always on weather.gov/Alaska. Find the latest satellite and radar pictures there online anytime. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder.